Hello and welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we are crafting with box 814, and this is an exciting box because of where we got our materials.
So this year we visited our local zero landfill. Every year, design firms and design reps around the area all bring extra product and extra samples, things like that, so that artists and local teachers, craftsmen, us, so we can go and grab things. You can see in some of the photos, lots of stuff, lots of wood, lots of carpet, metal, anything you can imagine, building materials specifically, lots of fabric also. We scored lots of stuff actually. So these are awesome little molding samples. They're wood. We sanded them slightly, just a little bit. They still are just very kind of weathered, have a little bit of spotty color on them. So they're a lot of fun. They have a lot of character. We're gonna show you what we did with them.
Yeah, they're all different. Take advantage of whichever piece you actually get. Some of them, have dings in them, which makes it look rustic. And some of them, I left a little bit of color on there. You could completely paint over it if you want, or you can take advantage of that little bit of color and it's gonna look cool, and they're all going to be unique because of it.
That's right, they each have their own cool little detail.
All right, well,
enjoy.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's go. Words? Words.
And there we have it, our first Christmas ornament of the year.
So much fun. So exciting.
The way these turned out, so different. And you have an option of an extra paint color. So with all the things we include, you can choose the green option, or this is like a charcoal option.
Yeah, and just kind of make it as heavy or as light as you want. Ours are very stained looking, which I think is very cool because it lets some of that character peek through.
Yeah, it was hard
talked about.
It was hard to keep painting because I thought, where do I stop? This looks really cool.
Yeah.
But that's what we chose. You do whatever you want. It's really cool.
It's a nice start to the holidays.
Yes, it is.
Very good.
Can't wait to hang it on the tree.
Tomorrow? No, probably not. Soon.
Well, thanks for stopping by.
And we'll see you next time.
Till next time.